Hi, in this how-to video, I'm going to show you, as an administrator, how to create and assign asset roles. If you haven't already watched the video, how to create parent and child skill relationships, please do so first, as that step needs to be completed before you can assign asset roles. If you're ready to go, jump on down to this tab here, Asset Roles. And you'll see that it may be pre-populated or that you've already got some asset roles in here. But what we're going to do today is actually add asset roles specific to VoC. Now, you might just want one role called VoC, or you might want more than one. Maybe you want a role that just captures any VoC related to trucks. Or maybe you have new employees coming on and they have to complete certain training modules in order to be compliant. And you want to create a new employee VoC. Or maybe you just want a VoC that captures just DOSA related items. This here is up to you to set it up how you would like to set it up. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a role called VoC DOSA. So this is it here. I'm just going to open it up now. Now it's time to start building it out with the associated parent skills. And then we click Save. Now that we have assigned the parent skill to the DOSA role, it's now time to start assigning it to people. You notice here there's the option for primary or secondary. I'll leave that up to you whether you want to make this role primary or secondary in regards to the VoC items. It's purely up to you. Now that we've assigned a few people to this asset role, we're going to jump into their profile and we're going to have a look at how far into their training they are. So here we are inside Emma Contractor. I've clicked on the VoC button and here it is, all of the items, the parent and the child skills related to the DOSA VoC. So there you have it. Creating asset roles inside Go Site Ready is simple and easy. Thanks for watching.